Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí quick one mo kí wa ẹ wá wo ohun tí a gbé wa àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ní ìlú Èkó wọ́n ti fẹnu ara wọn ti fi kó bára wọn. Mo fi àkókò yìí mo fi ń dúpẹ́ ní ọwọ́ ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Yíbò yìí ni o ẹ ká máa là á. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Yíbò mo gbé fún gómìnà Sanwó-Olú. Wọ́n ti yọ owó kólà ń kó wọn ti yọ wọn kúrò ní oríṣiríṣi àwọn kan. Ẹ lọ sí Ládìpọ̀ market, gbogbo àwọn orúkọ àwọn Yíbò tó wà ńbẹ̀ wọ́n ti change ẹ̀. Wọ́n ti fẹnu ara wọn ti fẹnu ara wọn jálé agbọ́n. Ṣé rí lóòótọ́ irú àwọn kan yìí bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, a máa rí àwọn tá support, a máa rí àwọn tó ní support. Wọ́n máa rí àwọn Yíbò ń sìn tí ẹ pé inú á máa bí wọn sí nǹkan táwọn èèyàn wọn ń ṣe nítorí pé wọ́n fi ti wọ́n fi ń kó bá wọn. Mo nígbàgbọ́ wípé àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí tó bá jẹ́ pé Èkó ni wọ́n ń gbé ni wọ́n ní lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìwọ la ẹnu ẹ̀ ó sọ pé ẹni tó bá rí kàn tí sí làgùn, ẹni tó bá ṣe kíní kan ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sọ̀rọ̀, ó sọ̀rọ̀ yánkanyànka sí wa láwa ọmọ Yorùbá. Ó ní àwọn Benin ló lè kó, káwọn Benin ọ̀hún kọ́ máa bọ̀ kán wá gbé Èkó náà náà, kán wá gba Èkó. Bóyá àwọn èèyàn ò sí lè kó nígbà tán wá ń ta. Ṣé rí kò sí tá bá ń fa gbùrùgbẹ̀rù á máa fa gbó nígbà tá bá ń trace bí a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọn lọ́yọ̀ọ́, àwọn Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin tó ń tà wá sóko ẹrú. Ṣé bí Ọ̀yọ́ àwọn náà ló ń jọba ní Benin. The same people bí àwọn Ọ̀yọ́ ṣe ń tà àwọn èèyàn wá sóko ẹrú nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ́ba Benin òun náà ṣe ń tà àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ sóko ẹrú. Òun náà fi ní àjọṣepọ̀ tó dánmọ́rán pẹ̀lú àwọn òyìnbó Portugal. Ẹ bá lọ wo ìtàn, àwọn òyìnbó Portugal wọ́n wà very close àwọn Ọ̀yọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wọ́n wà very close àwọn Benin Kingdom nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ oko ẹrú tó ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ sí arákùnrin yìí sọ.
It's better you people rise, stop this here nonsense. Igbos who live in Lagos, open your eyes. Don't sleep with your two eyes. And when somebody push you, push back. You people should come together now. When they are shouting, Igbos must go. Plan how you defend yourself. Plan how you defend your property. Plan how you throw them inside lagoon. First of all, when he started, go straight to Oba, throw him inside the lagoon. Burn down Lagos if they want to, if they started this nonsense. Eh? What is wrong with you? See me see trouble. We came to Lagos to build Lagos. Lagos is full of water. Louis Ojukwu them, Hebrew, all of them, they come to build Lagos. After all, Lagos belongs to, the first power of Lagos is from Benin. Now you are coming to claim what you don't have. Why are you claiming what you don't have? You are claiming what you don't have and you can't give what you don't have. Who said Lagos belongs to you? Enough is enough. Stop waking the lion, sleeping lion. Stop calling our name. Dismantle all this nonsense he is sharing in social media and warn your people. I'm calling the elders. Elders, rise up. You can't be elders and this be moving around. Who is Sanwo-Olu? Who is Sanwo-Olu? This is an imbecile. Call himself Sanwo-Olu. Very wicked human being. Whatever you will do against Igbos, it will come back to you, hurt you. If it didn't hurt you, it will hurt your children, your generation.
One man where they parade himself as Obi of Lagos on the day of his coronation. Now they arrest the man. Let me read the full news before I go talk with you. I won't talk because with you I won't talk now. A lot of them not go like him. And I read from Punch. Police arrest Obi of Lagos for installation. The Lagos State Police Command has arrested a 65-year-old man, Chibike Azubike, for allegedly parading himself as the Obi of Lagos. He was apprehended alongside 3 alleged accomplices while attempting to stage an unlawful unveiling ceremony. The arrest comes against the backdrop of growing ethnic tension particularly among youth on various social media platforms, who exchanged banters over Azubike's planned installation. Azubike, said to be an indigene of the Obodugu ancient kingdom in the Idato North local government area of Imo State, was arrested with Chief Chibuzo Ani, 57, Chief Martins Nwa Odeka, 65, and Ikechukwu Franklin Nade, 41. The four are currently being held at the command headquarters in Ikeja. According to the police statement shared on S.com on Wednesday, the group had planned to unveil a prototype of a purported 1.5 billion naira palace of Obi of Lagos State on Saturday, September 13, 2025, at the Apple Hall in Amuwo, Odofin. The command noted that the venue was swiftly sealed off by security operatives to prevent public disturbance and protect unsuspecting citizens from being deceived. The Commissioner of Police, Olohunda Rejimo, said tactical teams, including the Eco Strike Force, were deployed to the location to maintain law and order. He added that investigations were ongoing and that the suspects would be charged in court once concluded. Jimo further warned residents to be vigilant against impostors exploiting cultural and traditional institutions, stressing that such acts are illegal and capable of disturbing public peace. This is not the first time that the police would make such arrests. Notably, on April 1st, 2023, Frederick Majagu, the Ezendigbo of Ajao Estate, was similarly arrested for unlawful parading himself as the title chief in Lagos. Una don't hear them. Now, what am I trying to say? It's very simple, and it is the truth. This unnecessary cajole of Igbo culture and tradition by these self-acclaimed kings in a foreign land to stop. This is the high time that Igbo leaders and Igbo elders should rise up and stop this nonsense. You will go to Lagos. You want to crown yourself a king in another man's land. You don't get king for your village. What sort of nonsense is that? And if you talk now, some people go talk saying operation, now hate. What do you mean by hate and operation? Now only us know what it be kingship. Edo people, they don't know what it be kingship. Yoruba people, they don't know what it be kingship. Hausa people, they don't know what it be kingship. Now our own, they different all the time. Una go Lagos. They do about this one. Igbo king of this one. Nonsense. Una go California. Una go America. They do am. Playing with our culture and tradition. There is no secret anymore. This nonsense should stop. Every time when I go they cross boundaries, una no go know una limit. You go see small children, then go they wear red cap while their papa is still alive. What does that mean? Obi of Lagos. Are you a king in your own community? Kingship be your heritage. You go to another man's land, trying to crown yourself a king. This nonsense should stop. Everything must have limits. Maintain decorum. Maintain moral decency. In all ramification, and stop this nonsense. What they do? We are not the only people in this country. Una go Bini, get SND when I Bini. Una go Lagos, SND when I Lagos. Playing with our chieftaincy. Playing with our tradition. This nonsense must stop. Since our Igbo elders and the traditional rulers can control this nonsense going on, let other people control it so that when I go stop this nonsense, now they play with our culture. How many times have you seen Yoruba people where they get community in this Igbo land install king? Every time when I go they cause problem. After we go say they hate us. This one no be hate. Make una they learn and stop this nonsense. When they play with our culture all the time, there is no respect for Igbo culture. There is no respect for Igbo kingship again. After now, the same I go run to UK, Igbo king in UK. Those idiots where they do that nonsense, they are not even kings or Eze. They don't have any title in their own father's land. They are in their community. Hausa people full Enugu State. They get community there. You don't see Southern of Enugu State before. Yoruba people get many communities in Igbo lands here. Have you seen Oba of Anambra State before? Or Oba of Enugu State before? Or Oba of Imo State before? Every time I go, they cause problem. They use our tradition and culture to play. If kinship is a joke to our people, make una know they carry and they go other man's land because they don't want them. It is not a joke to them. They have high regards for their high chiefs and their kings. Do you understand now? Since our own now play, they take and play. We don't know the value. As in I want take them now, they play for their own land now. They don't arrest una. So that una go learn how to respect kinships, cultures and tradition. SND bona China, SND bona Indonesia, SND bona Dubai, SND bona Lagos, SND bona Benin. Oye meligi that eze isi na ewu. Nna gị meligi ya ka ọ bụ ke ndị meligi that eze. Una wala culture na egwu egwu.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí mò ń sọ lọ. Àwọn ọmọ Benin kan ti jáde tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ Ògìso torí Ògìso náà ń jẹ ní Benin kọ́ràn míyàn tó lọ jọba. Wọ́n jáde, wọ́n bẹ̀bẹ̀, wọ́n ní kí àwa Yorùbá kí ká dáríjì wọ́n, pé ká má bínú pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń sọ pé àwọn ló lè kó táwọn Benin sọ pé àwọn ló lè kó pé irọ́ ni. Àwọn ọmọ Ògìso ló ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ Benin. Wọ́n wá sọ pé the meaning of Èkó, wọ́n ní èdè wọn ni. Tá ń pè l'Ékòó lé ni. Wọ́n ní èdè wọn bó ṣe sọ nìyẹn o. Ó ní kí ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀, ó ní camp. Camp ó lò náà pè l'Ékòó. Ó níbi tó ń camp àwọn èèyàn sí tó ń tà wọ́n sóko ẹrú ní Lagos Island. Ó lò ní wọ́n fi ń sọ pé Èkó Èkó. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n àwọn Yorùbá ló lè kó torí àwọn bá àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn. Ṣé wá rí nǹkan? Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin. Ọ̀rànmíyàn bó ṣe jọba ní Benin ló kúrò ní Benin lọ tẹ Ọ̀yọ́ dó. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? The same family náà wá ń ṣoko ẹ̀kọ́ ẹrú. Mélòó lẹ gbọ́ pé ọba Ilé-Ifẹ̀ tà sóko ẹrú? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbẹ̀yẹn tì. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Ìgbò la gbé wá Yàbá nìyẹn. Ẹ wá ń sọ kọ́tọ̀kọ́tọ̀ lẹ́nu. Lagos no man's land. Àwọn ló develop Èkó. Gbogbo Èkó tẹ́lẹ̀ omi ni. Ilé mélòó kan lẹ́yìn Ìgbò kọ́ sèkó. Gbogbo Lagos Island tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, àwọn ancient building. Mo ṣe ń rìn fast ní last time tí mo lọ sí Austria. Mo àdúgbò tí mo dé sí ní Vienna níbẹ̀ ní capital city wọn. Mo rá àwọn ancient building ló wà ní gbogbo bẹ̀. Bó ṣe wà náà ní Barcelona ń bí báyìí náà ní tẹ́ bá lọ sínú ìgboro ní Catalonia area. Àbí La Sagrada gbogbo àwọn àdúgbò wọ̀nyẹn. Àwọn ancient building tó wà solid bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe wà ní UK. Ibi tí Nigeria House wà ní UK ẹ rí pé ancient building ló wà ńbẹ̀. Irú àwọn building yẹn ló wà ní Lagos Island torí the same time wọ́n kọ́lé wọ̀nyẹn gbà yẹn. Tí wọ́n spend a lot wọ́n waste owó sí àwọn materials. They waste a lot of money to the materials. Kí ló ń ṣe náà? Má dì mí lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n waste owó sí materials. Kò dà bá àwọn ilé tó ń kọ́ sí wọ́n fọgbọ́n sí. Wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lo solid material bí táyé àtijọ́. Ó ní ẹ máa sọ pé Lagos no man's land. Ẹ náà ẹ ti rí ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nílùú ẹ lọ pé àwọn tó lè kó wà kán wá gbèjà yín. Ṣẹ́rí tuntun pa ní Ghana ẹ dìdì aláṣejù yín ẹlẹ́fẹ́ lọ install ọba sí Ghana ṣọ́ba méjì ń jẹ ni kò sẹ́ni tó lè dánrọ́ ẹ̀wò níbì ni kò sí ẹni náà tó lè dánrọ́ ẹ̀wò ẹlẹ́fẹ́ jọba kan níbì ni wọn ò bí ìyá ẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ wa náà lẹ́tí lè ṣe gbogbo rédèrèdè ẹlẹ́fẹ́ yan eze mu mo dúpẹ́ ṣẹ́rí díẹ̀ lẹ́sì rí ẹ máa rí tó tí wọ́n á fi yín pa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yíbò ṣẹ́rí nǹkan wọ̀nyí ó máa dà pé afẹ́dà ń pé bóyá tribalism ọ̀ kíní kan kò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹnu ara yín lẹ fi ń kó bára yín kì í ṣe trade ẹ̀yin ló fẹ́ ẹnu ara yín kó bára yín àtijọ́ ń gbé papọ̀ ti pẹ́ àti accommodate ṣùgbọ́n àṣejù yín ti pọ̀ jù ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wọn ò mọ ju kíní kan lọ wọn á ta lé bàbá wọn wọn á ṣe kíní kan àwọn bàbá wa náà ni mo blame fún yẹn àwọn bàbá wa tán ta lé fún yín tí wọ́n á sin òkú arúgbó wọn sínú compound wọ́n á dẹ̀ ta wọ́n á ta síbẹ̀ àwọn Yíbò wọn á wó gbogbo ẹ̀ dànù kò make sense torí pé àwọn owó mo fi dáhùn bàbá wa lẹ́bi ṣùgbọ́n mo nígbàgbọ́ pé ojú wọn ti là òun ló fà á tó jẹ́ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbìyànjú ká máa listen sí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn ẹ̀ sọ ẹ máa gain 1 or 2 nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wa ẹ máa gain 1 or 2 nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ gbẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀ kúrò ń bẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé tẹnu ẹ lè wo fídíò wa kẹ́ máa gain 1 or 2 ń bẹ̀ báwo lẹ ṣe lọ ilé tẹ́ sin òkú sí tẹ́mọ̀ pé ẹ ti sin bàbá ńlá yín síbẹ̀ ẹ wá fẹ́ lọ torí pé ẹ nídìí owó ẹ wá lọ tà fún ọmọ Ìgbò àwọn wá wó gbogbo ẹ̀dànù wá kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wù wọ́n síbẹ̀ wọ́n á sì sọ wọ́n máa bu torí pé gbàdọ̀ fẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ pé òkú wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tọmọ Ìgbò yẹn sọ ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ mo gbádùn nǹkan tí a brọ́dà yìí sọ brọ́dà tó sọ ọgbọ̀n yẹn ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ àṣejù yín ti pọ̀ jù àṣejù ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìgbò ó ti pọ̀ jù ayé gba ìgúnni tó ń kọ́lé tápà ayé gbà ń jù rédèrèdè yín ti pọ̀ jù ẹ wo tún tẹ́ ń pa ní Ghana ẹ wo tún tẹ́ ń pa wọ́n ti torí tí ń sìn wọ́n ní Nigeria must go àwọn ọmọ yìí Ghana mọ̀ pé a ní àbáṣepọ̀ tó dán mọ́rọ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ Ghana àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe bá ní àwọn ọba tó wà ní Ankara Ghana àwọn ọmọ Òtùfẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ Odùduwà tó ń jọba tó wà ní Ghana á ní wọn kì í ṣe méjì kì í ṣe mẹ́ta wọ́n wà ní Ghana bẹ́ẹ̀ tó yẹ pé ọba ni wọ́n àwọn ọba ancient ọba kì í ṣe ọba ẹgbẹ́ títì tẹ́ ń jẹ kiri kì í ṣe ọba ẹgbẹ́ títì tẹ́ ń jẹ kiri nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn ẹ ní wá lára ẹ̀yin ọmọ yìí ẹ máa sọ pé ẹ̀yin ló develop Èkó ṣé ojú ò kì í tì í ní pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lẹ́nu ṣé ojú kì í tì í ní pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ pé ẹ̀yin ló develop Èkó ẹ ṣe lọ develop Anambra kẹ́yìn náà tiẹ̀ ní Èkó títí yín kẹ́yìn máa wá sí ìlú oní kẹ́yìn máa develop ìlú onílù ṣe bóun nìyẹn ń sìn ṣe bó ti dójú ẹ̀ ń sìn ṣe bó ti dójú ẹ̀ ń sìn ojú gbogbo wa ti là ọmọ Ìgbò lè contest for anything Lagos never kò lè possible mọ́ kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ òun ló fa tẹfin rẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ ta ló lè dánrọ ẹ̀wò lórí ilẹ̀ yín ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ ti rí wa fín bẹ̀yẹn ẹ lọ ẹwọ àwọn ọmọ Haúsá náà ìtútọ́ ń pa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kò sẹ́ni tó lè dánrọ ẹ̀wò nílẹ̀ wọn àti gbàgbàkúgbà àtúnṣe ńlá òun là ń fẹ́ ó dẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ń sìn Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ máa ti àwọn wọ̀nyí á máa tì wọ́n lẹ́yìn enough is enough we cannot tolerate all this nonsense a lè tolerate ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí yẹn sọ tó bá yànsì tó bá arrest ẹ wọn máa gbé fídíò yìí fún wọn máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ wo Kánú kí ló kó bá Kánú tọrọ ẹ fi lé débi tó lé dé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu sísọ lórí social media the same thing ọ̀rọ̀ tọ́gbẹ́ni sọ náà ni Kánú máa ń sọ ńgbà yẹn bí Kánú ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lélẹ̀ violent words lórí social media yẹn máa rán àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ mọ̀ pé lọ́yàn lẹ́nu ẹ mọ̀ pé commander ní bàǹkọ́jẹ́ pa àwọn èèyàn dànù ẹ máa sọ lórí social media ṣe mọ́ ń play àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fún Kánú sì kò lè defend ẹ mọ́ òun ló fà á tí Kánú fi wà níbi tó wà torí wọ́n ti lọ fún trial several times wọ́n ti lọ sí court wọ́n lọ ń play àwọn fídíò ibi tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ fún ó di wò mí wò ẹ̀ báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ deny àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ deny ẹ̀ irú eléyìí tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń ṣe ẹgbọ́rọ̀ tó ń sọ tó bá yẹ pé Èkó ló ń gbé mo rí àrídájú pé kò gbélé Èkó tó bá ń gbélé Èkó kò lè sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ lẹ́nu yẹn tí ó bá yẹ pé arákùnrin yìí ń gbé ní Èkó ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí o kò lè sọ lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ ojú wa ti là a dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ pé especially Lagos State inú mi dùn pẹ̀lú àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tó ń gbé náà mo rí list orúkọ wọn ṣèǹgì gbogbo orúkọ àwọn kí ṣèbí last time wọn ṣèǹgì street ẹ̀ ń pariwo ẹ̀ tí mọ̀ nǹkankan díẹ̀ lẹ́sìn rí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo kí wa ẹ bá bínú jàre inú bí mi nígbà tí mo rí fídíò rẹ̀ àní ìrìjù báyìí lọ èmi ọmọ yín náà ni Àkàlàmàgbò TV thank you all God bless.